Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy. Today we learn how to prepare piperazine citrate elixir. So what is elixir? It is an sweetened hydroalcoholic liquid for oral use, or we can say that when it is not possible to dissolve drug alone in water. So to overcome from that problem we use mixture of water and alcohol in particular proportion. So it is elixir. And what is piperazine citrate? Chemically it is an 2-hydroxypropane 1,2,3 tricarboxylic acid, and it is pharmacologically it is an anthelmintics agent that kill parasitic worms. They can be used therapeutically in the treatment of helminthiasis in man and animal.
To prepare 100 ml of piperazine citrate elixir. For that we require clean pipette, glycerin, chloroform spirit, orange oil, 100 ml of volumetric flask, used pipette, cylinder and a waste beaker. For that we transfer previously weighed 18 gram of piperazine citrate to the 100 ml of volumetric flask. Now add about 30 ml of purified water to the piperazine citrate. Now shake it until it gets dissolved. Either if sonicator is available, then sonicate it. Yes, sonicating it for 5 minutes. Sonication is completed. After sonication, we add 0.5 ml of chloroform spirit to the solution. For that we are using graduated pipette, 2 ml of graduated pipette. Rinse this graduated pipette with the chloroform spirit and throw the solution into the waste beaker. Now measure the 0.5 ml of chloroform spirit with the help of this graduated pipette. Set the meniscus to the 0.5 ml of graduation. Now clean the tip of the pipette with the tissue paper and transfer this solution to the volumetric solution. Make sure that complete chloroform spirit get transferred to this solution. After that, slightly mix it, then transfer 10 ml of glycerin to this solution by using 10 ml of measuring cylinder. As glycerin is transparent solution, so we check the lower meniscus. After it gets transferred, mix it slightly. By simple shaking. Then transfer 50 ml of sugar syrup by using 100 ml of measuring cylinder. A sugar solution is also, or syrup solution is also a transparent solution, so we check the lower meniscus. And transfer it to the volumetric solution. And slightly stir it. Now add a drop of orange oil to this solution. By using a glass bowl or a dropper. Stir it. For that we are using sonicator and sonicate the solution for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, sonigation is completed. And an homogeneous mixture is prepared. Now make up the volume up to the mark by using purified water. Then finally mix it well. Hundred ml of piperazine elixir is prepared. Thank you.